What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a different type of video today for you guys. And it is a gaming video, but it is a video game that I did not think I've played in a while on my YouTube channel for you guys. At least it's been a couple years, I think. What I'm going to be playing is MLB The Show 24, and I'm going to be doing franchise mode. Yes, I still have MLB The Show 24. I did not end up getting 25 this year because it cost money, and other MLB The Shows in the past were on Game Pass. But maybe I'll get MLB The Show 26 when that comes out in a few months. But in this one, I'm going to be playing MLB The Show 24 franchise mode, and I'm going to be seeing how many points, how many runs I can put up with my team. Pirates versus Marlins. I'm the Pirates, of course, if you guys did not know. Playing full game. Yep. That's what I want. You know what? We're doing closed. Clear skies. For my pitcher, I want to use Max Fried, and that looks good for my starting lineup. I forgot to not have the sound on for a second. That's better, though. So I'm not going to be showing everything that happens in this game, but I'll just show some of the stuff, and I'll only show like some of my home runs that I hit and stuff, and just some of my hits in general. I'm not going to show anything defensively, though. Showing my first batter.
But last year, he gave his team an opportunity and a chance to win every time he took the mound on average. And when you look at that kind of performance,
It's going to be hard doing this with one hand.
Gets a piece there, we'll do it again. The 0-2.
He's out. I just scored a run. It was not a home run. That was a foul. Nolan Arenado, or however you pronounce his last name up to bat, Arenado.
And there's a foul ball. It's great to get on the board in the first
1-0.
but here's an opportunity for them to really open things up with a couple of...
That might be gone. Oh, I think that's gone. Let's go. Now it's 4-0.
First homer of the year, and they tack on 3 across the ditch.
Back to batter number 1 again.
Water on the fire of a rally in this inning.
Already forced them to bring out another pitcher as well. 6-0. I'm up.
The pitch. Now a bullet to second base, but he's got it.
Alright.
Anthony Santander.
2 outs. Top of the second. 8-0 me.
Hard hit, knocks it down.
Yes. Wait.
The throw is still in.
Aww.
And they do get the out. And they're caught it out flying, lifted into the outfield for the base hit. Those always feel great.
That one is long gone.
This one's gonna go out of here.
Oh, yeah.
The bases, and they add on. It's 10-1.
Should I film one more right now? Just brought in a new pitcher. Miami did.
This one, Boo, they're clearly feeding off of each other at the dish. New pitcher for the Marlins, Trevor McKay.
Oh, I could have gotten that one.
He has a great slider with tons of movement. You know, these Pirates
10-1, top of the third, 0 outs.
And he swings.
That's also gone.
Deep center field. Goodbye, home run.
2 in a row.
They go back out at the plate.
Alright, same inning, bases loaded, nobody out. I did that on purpose. 15-1.
Right side, hard hit. There's one.
I just sold.
To first, not ain't time.
Hey, bases still loaded. Just trading spots Willie Adames. Let's see if I can get a grand slam on camera. That'd be awesome. I don't think that's one. Alright, I'm trying to hit a grand slam for you guys on camera. That's why I did not tag up. Otherwise, it would be 16-1. Think I can do it? That'd be so crazy if I do it. Nope. I know I can do it. I know I can do it. With Marcus Semien. Oh, that would have been so crazy. Think I can make it 20-1? I think I can. Maybe. Yep. Yep. Gone. 427 feet. Alright, so nothing too exciting happened the past 2 innings. I'm now in the top of the 7th. There's the score. 23-4. They just put in a new pitcher, Freddie Freeman, up to bat. Might be another run. Yeah, it will be. 24. Alright, let's make it 25. 25-4 is what it's about to be after this hit. Actually, 26-4. That one went way up to the second deck. 399 feet. Alright, that is my scenario.
Sent it out way faster than it came in, of course. 113 off the bat. Drilled out towards left center field. That's well struck.
There we go. We just got over 30. Do you think we can hit 40 this game? Pause it and let me know in the comments what you guys think. No cheating. They just brought in a new pitcher.
We all know about a slider. It's just filthy, man. And one of the better ones in the game, I'd say. Spin rate's very high, and it just breaks a ton.
Good hit.
It finds its way. It's everyone's attention. Got a pitch to drive, short to the baseball, squared it up, and the batsman carried it out of here. Aaron over to first.
32-5. One more inning for me. Alright, top of the 9th. My last inning. And I'm going to film the whole thing, all of my at-bats. There we go.
Around first, heading for 2. Throw is high and over his head. And he's going to get to second with nobody out. Well, that's how you respond.
What do you guys think is going to happen here?
Now, there are several ways that they can get this run across. Digging in.
Oh, that would have been awesome. What a catch, though, he made on defense. Willie Adames. Here we go. Here's 33.
He will score, and the lead continues to grow. Puts a run on the board and picks up an RBI. It wasn't able
33. One out. Top of the 9th. One on base. Gone.
That ball is blasted. That one on its way, and it is gone. A home run.
35.
One of the rarest feats in baseball and history made here today. Huge feat. So the Marlins go with a new arm.
They just put in a new arm.
Marcus Semien, the next Pirate to hit. That one ripped.
That one is not gone.
It's a one-hopper off the wall. Should be extra.
Think I can make it to second? Yes, I can.
And he's there with a double. With that fastball, even though it's it's high velocity, you've got to
What do you guys think is going to happen here? I'm excited.
Right down the middle, professional hitters are not going to have a problem turning it around. Here comes Freddie Freeman up to hit. And
That was late.
Yo one. Swinging a ground ball, Biggio.
That is 2 outs.
Next, it's the Pirates cleanup hitter, Byron Buxton.
Oh. Alright, so I put up 35 that game. Alright, so that is the final. I scored 35 runs, which is absolutely crazy. That's insane. Anyway, so I know that was a different type of gaming video, not like my usual Minecraft build or Forza Horizon type of video, but it was a sports video game, which I enjoy doing. I've done quite a few in the past, and there will definitely be more in the future. But anyway, let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of it. I thought it was really fun, seeing how many runs I could put up in MLB The Show franchise mode. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and never miss lit Everyday Andrew videos. But anyway, Everyday Andrew out. Peace. And anyway, I'm going home for winter break / Christmas break tomorrow, so be on the lookout for all of my videos over my long winter break. But anyway, Everyday Andrew out. Peace.